Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're so glad to have you here with us today. Now, I know many of you aren't exactly excited about the prospect of winter, what with the snow, the ice, and the general cold. It can be a real hassle dealing with all that, right? But today we're going to focus on making sure your car is ready for anything winter throws at it. Trust me, a little preparation goes a long way. That's right, we're going to be talking about 5 easy car care tips that are absolutely essential for winter. These tips will help you keep your car in top shape. We're talking simple stuff here, things you can easily do yourself to make sure your car starts every morning and gets you where you need to go safely and reliably, no matter how brutal the conditions get. It's all about being prepared. So if you want to avoid that sinking feeling of walking up to your car on a freezing morning only to find it won't start, make sure you stick around to the very end of this video. You won't want to miss these tips. And hey, while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future car care tips and tricks. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep bringing you valuable content. All right, let's kick things off with the heart of your car, the battery. It's the powerhouse that keeps everything running smoothly. Now, you might be thinking, Fatima, my battery is fine, and maybe it is, but even the best batteries can struggle in cold weather. But here's the thing about batteries. They don't like the cold. Cold weather can significantly reduce their efficiency. As the temperature drops, so does the battery's ability to hold a charge and crank the engine. This can make starting your car a real challenge. And trust me, there are few things worse than being stranded on a frigid morning with a dead battery. It's not just inconvenient, it can be dangerous. So, how do you avoid this? First, take a good look at your battery. Regular inspections can save you a lot of trouble. Are there any signs of corrosion around the terminals? Corrosion can impede the battery's performance. If so, grab a wire brush and some baking soda and water solution and give them a good clean. This simple step can make a big difference. Next, it's a good idea to have your battery tested, especially if it's more than 3 years old. Testing can reveal potential issues before they become big problems. Most auto parts stores will do this for free. It's a quick and easy way to ensure your battery is in good shape. If the battery is on its last legs, it's better to replace it now than wait for it to die on you in the dead of winter. A proactive approach can save you a lot of headaches. Trust me, your future self will thank you. A little effort now can ensure smooth, worry-free driving all winter long. Next up, let's talk tires. They are often overlooked, but they play a critical role in your vehicle's performance and safety, especially during the winter months. Your tires are your only point of contact with the road, and in winter that contact becomes even more crucial. The right tires can mean the difference between a safe journey and a dangerous one. First and foremost, check your tire tread depth. Adequate tread depth is essential for maintaining traction on slippery surfaces. You can do this easily with a penny. Just insert the penny upside down into the tread groove. It's a simple yet effective way to gauge your tire's condition. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, it's time for new tires. Worn-out tires are a hazard, especially in winter conditions. Now, when it comes to winter driving, having enough tread is crucial for gripping snow and ice. Without sufficient tread, your tires can't channel snow and slush away, leading to reduced traction. But it's not just about tread depth. Tire pressure is equally important. Properly inflated tires ensure optimal contact with the road. Cold weather causes tire pressure to drop, so make sure you check your tire pressure regularly and inflate them to the recommended PSI, which you can find in your owner's manual or on the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Underinflated tires can lead to poor handling and increased wear. And if you live in an area that gets hit hard by snow and ice, you might want to consider investing in a set of winter tires. These tires are specifically designed to handle the harshest winter conditions. These tires have a special tread pattern and rubber compound designed specifically for optimal grip in snowy and icy conditions. They remain flexible in low temperatures, providing better traction. They can make a world of difference in terms of traction and safety. Investing in winter tires can give you peace of mind and keep you safe on the road all winter long. Now let's talk about visibility. In winter, your windshield is constantly bombarded with snow, ice, salt spray, and all sorts of grime. So keeping it clean and clear is essential for safe driving. First things first, make sure you're using a winter-grade windshield washer fluid. These fluids have a lower freezing point than regular washer fluid, preventing them from freezing in your washer fluid reservoir and lines. Trust me, there's nothing worse than hitting your windshield washer only to have nothing come out. Or even worse, having the lines freeze and potentially burst. And while you're at it, take a close look at your wiper blades. Are they cracked, torn, or leaving streaks? If so, it's time for a new set. Winter wiper blades are specifically designed to handle heavy snow and ice, ensuring a clear view of the road ahead. Finally, let's talk about protecting your car's exterior. Winter can be brutal on your car's paint. Road salt, grime, and even the sun's UV rays can all take their toll, leading to fading, rust, and a generally dull appearance. So what can you do? First, regular washes are crucial. Even if it's cold outside, try to wash your car every week or two to remove salt and grime buildup. And don't forget about waxing. A good coat of wax acts as a protective barrier, shielding your car's paint from the elements. Think of it like a warm winter coat for your car. If you really want to go the extra mile, consider using a car cover, especially if you park outside. A car cover will protect your car from snow, ice, and even those pesky tree sap drips. So there you have it, 5 easy car care tips to help you conquer winter and keep your car running smoothly all season long. Remember, a little bit of preventative maintenance goes a long way in ensuring your car starts every morning and gets you where you need to go safely. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more car care content. And as always, thanks for watching.